For them to come out and say that they're calling for no confidence in John King, that's a big deal.
Eric Muehlbergel is a founding member of the New York State Allies for Public Education. They represent 45 grassroots parents groups across the state. He told News 4 his group supports the New York State United Teachers resolution that calls for State Education Commissioner John King to be removed. The resolution also doesn't support the controversial Common Core testing standards and the way they were implemented.
There is pressure on John King. He needs to change course with regard to the excessive amount of testing that is going on in schools.
The union says the testing standards were rushed and changes need to be made. They want more resources for teachers and more transparency, including the release of all test questions to help teachers with their instruction.
We are going to continue to pressure legislators. We're going to continue to encourage parents to come out and support these causes.
Governor Andrew Cuomo has called for a review of the way the state rolled out Common Core. He also proposed ending standardized testing for students in kindergarten through second grade.
We also need a rational system that is well administered. We will assemble a panel that includes education.